So all week I have been sharing tips about how to be psychic or how to notice that you actually are psychic. And how one of the problems is that to be psychic feels very organic. It feels so organic you don't even realize you're doing it. It's not like this, oh, you had a vision and three angels came and you were blinded for a week. Like that's all just Hollywood. And the problem is that in the English language, we lack a language to describe the actual felt and real experience of psychic phenomena. It's almost as if it was erased from the linguistic lexicon. So how can you, number one, explain, number two, teach, and number three, even sense what is true for you if you lack the very words to explain it? And the only words you have are words that are being co-opted and kind of shoved into trying to explain what's going on. One great example of that is the way people always talk about how psychic phenomena is through the clairs, right? You have clairaudient, I hear it, clairsentient, I know it, what is it? Smell, I smell it, clairvoyant, I see it. And that is just so kind of helpful, but also problematic. And here's why. That when we have these distinct categories, they're really only through the lens of your five senses, that we can only understand psychic phenomena through the physical lenses of our bodies. And we may tend to over-identify with one. And so you'll see people saying, oh, well, I'm clairvoyant, but I'm not clairaudient, or I'm clair blah blah, or not clair blah blah. And then what happens is, because they believe they're now in this little box, they may completely miss new ways that their psychic phenomena shows up, and they will discount it as a result. So yeah, I'm being a little rebellious in that I kind of reject that language as much as possible, because I don't think it's truly identifying what is going on when we have psychic phenomena. And your psychic phenomena can grow and change over time, but only if you believe that it can. That's part of it too. So if you're like, I'm a medium and I'm clairvoyant, and then all of a sudden you smell roses or violets or aftershave, you'd be like, oh, where's that coming from? That smells good, and completely ignore that that's actually a message. Oh my. And the other part of it too is that our psychic phenomena, I think, tries to resist language, because language is not the language that it typically speaks in. It speaks in stories, symbols, all kinds of things. And it's like, don't put me in a box. You know I'm bigger than that. You sign up for my class? Link in the bio. Let's play.